You summon me, sir, and I arrive. What can I do to serve? There are new bodies. Replacement procedure. You know the rules. Yes. Get in. Take out. Never be seen. Good. If I may interject, sir, I mean no disrespect. But we both know how your brother gets when there are no old vessels to return to his world. His compliance is never a factor. As you wish, my lord. Oh. Yes? Take Bard with you. You will be extracting many tonight. Yes, sir.
Come on, Luigi. Let's keep going.
Wait a minute, Mario. Can we just talk about this a little bit first?
Alright, what is it? Make it quick though. The princess's letter was urgent. They obviously need something.
Okay, well, let's just look at what's happened so far. We get a letter in the mail from Peach and the Daisy saying that they need our help and we need to come over as soon as we can. And yet, it is nearly nightfall. The sun is almost down, Mario. Something about this does not feel right.
Yeah, well, if it is something off, like, oh, I don't know, Bowser and they've written a letter to us, then we need to go and help them.
Okay, well, if it is a Bowser or one of our other many villains, then what if this is some kind of a trap?
Yeah, well, even when there are traps that do work, which doesn't always happen, we always get right back up. We'll be fine. Let's go.
Alright. This is ridiculous. We should think this stuff out more often.
Oh, Mario. Oh, hey, Yoshi. We need to get to the princess's castle. They wrote us a letter urgently requesting our help.
Huh. That's strange. I haven't seen a single airship from Bowser in a few days, actually. Now that I think about it, it's been a few weeks. Might be a new record.
Well, they need our help, so we need to go see what's going on.
You sure it's not some kind of trap or something? Or, okay.
That's my brother for you. Doesn't listen.
Okay. You want me to help tag along? I don't mind. I don't really have much else to do. I might as well. Huh? Your guys, Mario, Luigi is still. Oh! That's, not normal. What just happened?
A Peach, a Daisy, are you two...
Oh, hello, Mario. What brings you over here?
We got a letter from you two about urgently coming to the castle. We thought you two were in trouble.
Did you do that?
I didn't do that. Did you?
Well, of course not. That's why I'm asking you.
Sheesh.
We didn't send you anything, Mario.
Well, then if you two didn't send us anything, that must mean... This has to be some kind of trap.
Oh, wow. Now you figured that out. After I tried telling you that might be what this whole thing was. Peach, Daisy, Mario and Luigi, is everything alright?
Huh? Rosalina?
Did you also get some letter from us saying we were in trouble?
No. I detected an extremely powerful surge of energy coming from, well, here. Happened to be nearby, so I came to see if everything was alright, but nothing seems out of the ordinary.
I told you, this has got to be a Bowser trap! Or worse, a King Boo trap.
Luigi, first of all, we haven't seen King Boo in ages. Second of all, this doesn't feel like a Bowser trap.
Really?
Well, am I wrong? This doesn't feel like his style at all.
Mario, shut that door now!
What did you see?
I don't know.
What? You can't just say you don't know after you're the one that screamed. That sounds like something I would do.
Daisy, now is not the time for jokes. Rosalina, what did you see?
I saw its eyes. They were black and soulless. I saw a wide jaw, no teeth, but still, and its skin was slimy and green.
Rosalina, look, I know whatever you saw must have really caught you off guard, but we really cannot help if you continue speaking poetically like this. Just help us understand what you saw.
Guys? Look, I'm out for talking, but, usually when something charges for a door, and then you shut the door in its face, it starts banging. Has anybody else noticed that it's been eerily quiet?
Oh dear.
Well then, let's get out of here.
No, wait. It could be trying to find another way in, or it might be waiting us out. Either way, we won't know. Rosalina, could you sense it, perhaps?
No, I don't sense anything out that door, but I also didn't sense it coming. I only saw it.
Well, great. This is just fantastic. Maybe we can escape through one of the underground tunnels. I mean, this castle has loads of little secret exits, right, Peach?
There are a few other exits, yes.
Alright, good. Now that's a go, for that thing finds a way.
Don't make a sound.
Go away!
Daisy, what did I just tell you? Didn't I say, don't make a sound?
Yeah, well, look, it stopped. It stopped, didn't it? So clearly I did something right.
I don't know about that, Daisy.
What? What's that supposed to mean?
Well, when it was doing that, we at least knew it was there. We could have used that to go down one of the tunnels and know we wouldn't be caught up by it. Now we don't know where it is. It's probably still there. We don't know that now.
I could go out there and check.
What? Mario, you crazy?
I know it sounds dangerous, but think. I've fought hundreds of creatures Bowser's has sent my way. None of them have been able to stop me or Luigi.
Mario, I understand that you are, by nature, an extremely brave man. But please, we do not know what that creature is capable of. Let's just go through a different path. We have better chances there. Lead the way, Peach.
Right. Okay.
Wait. Mario! Guys, we forgot. Yoshi's still out there.
What?
Yeah, we saw Yoshi out there. He was asking us where we were going. Oh no, I hope he hasn't encountered that thing. We can't go back that way. We can go around. Go out the exit. Circle back.
Oh, Rosalina, he could be in serious danger.
Do you guys hear that?
Hear what? I hear it too.
Is it that any of it? You? No?
Luigi!
No! Give me back my brother! Mario!
You can't just charge something like that head on!
To Rosalina! Daisy!
No, Mario, you cannot go and...
I'm sorry, Rosalina. I will not let it take her too. No!
Mario! There's still one left. Guess bother done cleaning up yet. Not fully. Allow me to introduce myself and Madame. Just give me 1 moment. I'll be right down. Usually I like this better. But on special occasions, it is better to talk face to face. What are you? Well, seems a little rude not to ask who first, but fair enough. I suppose it's not every day that you come face to face with something that doesn't compute with your reality. That doesn't answer my question. But more importantly, what have you done to my friends? Well, technically, I did nothing wrong. No. That would be my assistant. Well, friend, acquaintance, whatever you want to call him. His name is Bart. He's, not a chatty fellow. He prefers getting work done nice and quick. I don't care what he is. Give my friends back! Well, usually we get all the old bodies out before putting the new ones in. But then again, we also usually do this when you're asleep, so... Guess we're doing things differently today. What? Luigi? Not quite. You see, that's just the body. The soul is not our jurisdiction. That is handled, well, after our process is done. Speaking of which... Bart! Bart!
Quit messing around! We have a schedule to complete, and more swaps to make.
I demand an explanation now!
I'll give you a simple explanation. Not like it matters. You'll wake up not remembering any of this. There are beings beyond your comprehension, my dear Rose. And, well, the three guardians all have their place over it all. Creation, life, and death. All guarded by one. And you see, well, we are like messengers of creation. We bring in new bodies when they are made. And if they are too fit for the world, we bring them here to replace the old. Speaking of old, they move on. But enough to chat now! My patience is running thin.
You dare to talk that way after what you've done? I will end your sorry, miserable, unknown life!
It sure is nice of the princesses to invite us out for a picnic, eh, Luigi?
I hope they made lots of spaghetti.
Why do you keep saying that?
I'm hungry and I have not eaten at all today.
Reasonable. Let's go.
When are they gonna get here?
Oh, give them a few minutes, Daisy. Oh, there they are. Woo!
Uh-oh. Orange torpedo coming towards us. Whoop!
Orange or what? Ah! Oh! Hi, Daisy. Your stuttering is adorable.
Ugh. Those two will never change. Good to see you, princess.
Oh, no need to be so formal, Mario.
Peach.
That's better.
Well, you invited us out for a picnic? Shall we go?
Yep, I've got everything set up just out there. Come with me.
Alright. Should we, get them first, or,
Just give them a minute.
as you wish?
Let's go, Luigi. I'm not missing any of the food. Whoa!
Princess, we have a problem. Yoshi's been trying to break into the kitchen for the past 30 minutes. I cannot make any food with that dinosaur trying to take everything. Huh? Oh, duh. Oh, no.
But don't worry, princess. I'll go set the situation out. Yoshi will listen to me.
Thank you, Mario.
Oh, I swear, if that dino prep eats any of my food, I'm gonna knock him into the next solar system.
Daisy, that is unnecessary. We all know Yoshi, he's our friend.
It's not my fault it smells so good.
Yeah, but you know, Yoshi. You know better than that.
Ugh.
Situation handled.
Oh, Mario. Well, how about this, Yoshi? You can join us for our little picnic. How does that sound?
Thank you. I would very much like that. Thank you. Yes, I would gladly accept that offer.
I guess that means I'll go make more food. About 3 more bowls of it.
Do you think you could make it 4? Oh, what's up, Rosalina? Well, I didn't get a lot of sleep last night, and I happen to have some of my friends on my mind. So,
I decided to come down and see how you all were doing.
Well, we were actually about to have a picnic together. Would you like to join us?
Really? Thank you. Suppose I shall join you then.
It looks like Toad's gonna have to make another bowl. I'll go let him know. Wait up!
Well, how about we all go?
Now, come on, Rosalina. Let's go!